Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's see how to make a home-style masala fish curry. For that, I have taken medium-sized fish which I have sliced. To a jar, add 2 pieces of ginger, some garlic cloves, then 5 tablespoons of bell pepper. Crush it well and keep it aside. To a hot pan, added 1 cup of grated coconut. Saute it well. It has roasted. Now I am adding 3 teaspoons of chili powder, then 4 teaspoons of coriander powder. Saute it well. Add some turmeric powder and mix well. It's ready. Let it cool for some time. Then make it into a fine paste by adding some water. Heated up the pan, added some coconut oil, then add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, then some chopped shallots, add green chilies, then a teaspoon of salt, then crushed mix. Saute it well. Add some curry leaves. Mix well. Now we are adding the fried coconut paste. Saute it well till the raw smell goes off. Sauteed well. So now adding 2 cups of water. Then add 3 pieces of fish tamarind. Then let it boil for some time. It has boiled well. Now we are adding the pieces of fish. Cover it and cook it for 20 minutes in low flame. After 20 minutes, our simple masala fish curry is ready. Do try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.